Welcome back. Let's do this question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Calculate the size of, let me correct this. Calculate the size of X and Y. Calculate the size of X and Y, right? So ABCD is a parallelogram, meaning that AB is parallel to DC or DF, since DF is a straight line. And then AD is parallel to BC, or you can say parallel to PE. Right. We can easily find the size of X because we can see that C1, angle C1 and angle C3 are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are what? Are equal. So we can say 138 degrees minus 2x is equal to 78 degrees, since these are vertically opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles are equal, right? And then we can solve for x here. So what we do, we can say negative 2x is equal to 78 degrees minus 138 degrees. Negative 2x is equal to negative 60 degrees here. Then divide by negative 2 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so it means this angle here is 30 degrees, right? So we've managed to find the size of X. We can easily find now the size of Y. How can we do that? We need to find angle A here. How can we find angle A? Angle A and angle C1 are what? Are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So meaning that angle A is equal to angle C1. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So let's find angle A. Angle A is equal to 138 degrees minus 2. And then we found that x is 30, so it's 30 degrees there. Where there's x, we put 30 degrees. Where there's x, we put 30. And then put this in the calculator. Angle A is equal to 78 degrees. So it means this angle here is 78 degrees. Now let's consider triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, right, we can say that angle A plus angle X plus Y must give us 180 degrees, since these are interior angles of a triangle. So we can say 78 degrees plus 30 degrees plus Y is equal to 180 degrees, since this is the sum of angles in triangle, right? And then we can solve for Y. Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 78 degrees minus 30 degrees. So Y is equal to 72 degrees. Okay, that's the answer there. In alternative method, we could have said, now this is 30 degrees, so angle B2 also is 30 degrees. Since these are alternate angles, AD is parallel to BC. Right, angle B2 is equal to 30 degrees, since alternate angles. Alternate angles, AD is parallel to BC, right? And then if you check this angle and this angle are co-interior angles. So these are co-interior angles. So meaning that they must give us what? 180 degrees if you add them. Angle A plus angle ABC should give us 180 degrees, since these are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Then since AD is parallel to BC, right? And then so it means 78 degrees plus Y plus 30 degrees. That is this is angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 78 degrees minus 30 degrees. So y is equal to 72 degrees.